guys, welcome back to my channel. Right? I can't even do my eyebrows like that. I'm like okay, all right. I'm tripping. Okay, all right, so this is like a little bit of a different scenery. I'm just sitting in front of this wall, so I do need to paint my wall, so that is on my agenda for the month, or maybe the next 2 months, because I come by and scrape this wall. Little buddy comes by and scrape this wall. We all scrape this wall. So yeah, so I have that on my to-do list. Okay, but that is not what we're here to talk to you about today. All right, so today I am going to be showing you guys exactly what I got. This is an item that I wish that I would have gotten way before I started doing my Etsy, my Shopify website, just selling things on the side, because it is so useful and so like time efficient. It cuts back your time. It's just so helpful. I'm just going to tell you, because at first I was sitting up there taping labels down, and this is just like a breeze. But because I didn't do my research, I did buy a shipping thermal printer, and I did end up, I was lucky that I was able to sell that old one that I had, and I used the money towards my new one that I got. And the new one that I got is called a Munbyn. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Munbyn. Okay, well, you guys get the picture and you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I did take advantage of Amazon Prime Days. Yeah, Amazon Prime Days. I think that's what it is. Amazon Prime Days. I did take advantage of that, so I was able to get it at a good price, and I got some other things with it. What I'm gonna do is basically just open this box to show you guys exactly. So my tip to you guys is, before you start buying like equipment or whatever, whatnot, just do your research. So that way you're not turning around and buying another one. Okay. All right, so I am going to go ahead and open this, and this just came, and this is not sponsored or anything. This is one that I got with my own money. So yeah, so this is not sponsored, so this is going to be my opinion. And then I'm just gonna see what's in this box here. Okay, so what do we got? Got warm tips on the back. We got quick tips on the back. All right, so this is 8.5 by 11 size ready, and then 4x6 ready label, and the 4x6 is the one that I always use for my labels. Next you get, I'm just showing you guys what you get. Next you get this power adapter cord, and it says please use the adapter cord that comes with it. That's what this is pretty much saying. That's not in exact words, but that is what it's saying. All right, so this is just the adapter cord, just plain and simple. This is what we always see for the adapter cord. All right, so I am going to try to take this out, and I want to see what size this thing is. Okay, so then you get a user guide, so which we need, because I know I'm seriously going to use it. And I think I got, hold on, let's see. Oh, you get some test labels, because I know in the other one that I had, I got like some test labels. So these should be, I guess, just like if you need to test to see how many in there. So that's good they give those to you, because I'm sure all of them probably give it to you, probably. All right, so next we have the cable. This is what hooks into the computer, and yep, it's a long black one. It's a pretty good length, so you have that cord there. All right, so next we have the thermal printer itself. So this is so cute. Look at it, it's pink. Let me take it out. Okay. All right, so it already has a little label inside, and I can see in here that it says WhatsApp, and it says YouTube, set it up how, so you can kind of pretty much see. And then on the back it says Munbyn. This is a sample print for factory testing. Okay. All right, so these are the little ports that are on the back. You have your power button. This is for your printer cord. I call it a printer cord because it looks just like the cord that's from my printer. So that's what I call it, but you might call it something else. I don't know. USB cord. That's what it is. Okay. All right. And then you have your power cord settings back here. And then on the top, look at that. That is in pink. You have a Munbyn. I'm trying to get it so it's not there. And y'all, I am using my ring light that I got from Amazon. I will link that in my storefront. Actually, I've had this thing for a while, but I just haven't had like the nerve to use it. So I was just like, let me just go ahead and use it. And it has like a little clicker thing on there. So that is what I'm using, and it was like super cheap. I got it when it was like a deal for like $8, but it's like a lot more now. But I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront, and this is one thing that I wish that I would have gotten before. All right, so back to the printer. All right, so then you have this. That's the print. Is that the print button? I think it's the print button there. And then you have your open button here, and I am going to press this to open this to see what we got. Okay, so this actually opens like this. My other one opens like this, but I like how this opens. This is awesome and new. And let me show you the inside of it so you can see. I don't know if you can get a good look at it, right? All right, so this seems basically just like a normal thermal printer. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and let's see. This is like super cute. I'm trying to figure out what this is. I guess this is what the back looks like. So I'm gonna let you guys see that there. And it's like a really nice compact size. So I'm actually pretty glad that I did get this thing. So I can't wait to test it out and see exactly how it works. I am not good with computers, looking things up, installing softwares. Usually, if I have issues, I call my sister and I say, hey sis, can you come help me? And she's like, hey sis, what's the problem? All right, when you gonna be home, I'll come help you. So that's how that works. All right, so next, my little knees are getting tired. So the next thing I got, because I want to make stickers for my packages. So if you want to, just make like mail-in stickers, like do not bend, fragile, handle with care, don't touch my package, don't steal my package, anything like that. So if you want to do something like that, that's fine. So I did end up getting a roll of these stickers, and these were on the Amazon Prime deal too, so they were there. You get 2.25 by 1.25 and times 1,000. All right, so this is BPA free, and it just says focus on every powerful moment, and I'm gonna get up close to show you guys how these stickers are. This is a pretty thick roll, and I will link everything in the description box for you guys so you guys can, if somebody wants to get it, why not? All right, so this right here is the last thing that I got, and I think my foot is falling asleep, okay? I think it is. This is the last thing that I got. So I was kind of like on the fence about getting this, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna spend extra money. But then I was like, remember when I first got my other one, I had like some wood like baskets trying to, like, I heard something outside. I had like some wood baskets like trying to like put my paper so that it'll level up or whatever, whatnot. I said, Tina, just go ahead and get the darn thing. So I got a stand for the paper because I did get, like I said, the roll, and I don't know how I would actually do the roll if I didn't have the stand for the papers. I just went ahead and got it, and I remember how I was struggling last time. So this is the label holder here. This shows you how to put it together. I think I pretty much know how to put this together because I think they're pretty much all the same. I'm hoping. So I am actually going to try to take this. Oops. Maybe it's maybe it's not. Maybe it's not the same. Okay, I think it is. I think it is. You have these 3 pieces here, and I think it is. And then you have this big piece where the paper lays here. And it does show here that you can do the regular paper or you can do the roll, as you can see there. So I am going to try. I'm figuring, so the big parts go here. So I'm figuring this, oh, this just goes, okay, all right, this should be easy. All right, so this goes here, and then this will go here. All right, perfect. Look at that, just like Build-A-Blocks, and then this will go here. All right, so that's what it looks like. This is It's like super easy to put together, super sturdy. So the paper, if I put this on here, so the rolled paper will actually just go in here, what it's looking like. All right, so that is basically all of the things that I actually got. And like I said, I'll link them down below in the storefront. So I might do another video of me trying to use it, figure out how I'm gonna use it. So I just want to show you guys what comes in the box, what it is, and yeah, this is like, oh, and these, I forgot to say, and these are the colors, y'all, that they come in. So you got white, gray, green, and pink. So that's what that one is. And I'm not sure what, yeah, this is like a pro. Oh, this is the version 2.07. So that is the version of that. So that is all of this video, guys. So thank you so much for sticking with me. And I hope this kind of like, I guess if you had questions about what it does, because it does the shipping labels and the stickers. So if you had like any kind of questions like I had, I hope this kind of answers them. And then if you did like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, and then also share. And then like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.